Pissed off from family time and waiting in a crowded airport, I wasn't exactly in the mood to be messed with. So we were flying with an airline that I will call Northeast. And for those that don't know, they don't have assigned seats. Basically, you get a zone, and then a number to decide when you board, and seats are first come, first served, kind of like pulling numbers at a deli. After hours of waiting, we were finally called to get in line. Now, we were 54, and this woman was number 59, because I heard her speaking to her partner and child, complaining about being so far back in line. We were there for a few minutes, so naturally hubby and I are having our own conversation. So she stands and shuffles to move in front of us, hoping we won't notice. I pull hubby back into our place in line and continue our conversation disregarding her. I hear her huff and mumble to her husband. As I'm continuing to ignore her, she tries multiple times to innocently pass us. Every time, I just maneuver to block her. Like, lady, we aren't even moving and we have the numbers. How are you gonna try to cut me? I subtly try to point out that we are ahead of her by saying, "Hey babe, we're number 54, right?" He responds, "We sure are." He can see that I'm kind of getting annoyed at this woman. Already annoyed at being here for hours and just want to get on the goddamn plane. But now I have to deal with someone cutting us off over and over. I'm getting more and more agitated as she's simply attempting to slip by and loudly sighing at me not moving aside from her. If this were an innocent, unknowing mistake, I wouldn't have cared. But this woman decided that she's more important than everybody else, and there's nothing that pisses me off more than entitled people. So we start moving forward, and I aggressively played chicken with this woman as she kept trying to slip by. Alas, I was too passive, and she uses her son to physically push me out of the way as we got to the counter. She gets her way, and her and her family end up ahead of us in the tunnel thing, and I'm fuming at this point. As her arrogance grows, so does my anger. Hubby's trying to chill me out, but after hours upon hours of crap, this woman really got to me. I mean, who does that? Entitled idiots, that's who. Not only being willfully malicious, but using your child to break social rules. Teaching him that it's okay to just forget rules and push past people. I was literally furious. Her small indiscretion had me close to snapping. I decided to remain calm and be the bigger person, until she turns and smirks at me, giving me a little wink. It's on, witch. It seems that the revenge gods were smiling on me that day, and urging me to act out in some very, very petty revenge. So her family picks out the last empty row, an emergency exit row with extra footroom, and the cow happily settles herself into the corner and starts making preparations for a night's sleep. I, never being one to turn down an opportunity, took the only other two seats together for hubby and myself. How fortunate that my seat be located directly behind her, and thus began my fun. So I stowed my bag and jacket under my seat, but made sure to angle my belongings to a space where, if I put enough pressure with my foot, it would push and I could manipulate her seat. I spent the entirety of the flight slamming my foot down on my jacket, preventing her from moving her seat back into a comfortable position. Assuming the seat was defective, she complained, but the flight attendant politely informed her that the flight was full and there was no open seats. She huffed and agreed to spend the rest of her flight in the defective seat, and started attempting to get situated to sleep. I could see her face as she angled her pillow against the window, and so I knew every time she started falling asleep. Poor woman. Every time she drifted off, there must have been some terrible turbulence, given how her seat would suddenly jolt forward and shake her awake. Halfway through, after some berating, she convinced her husband to switch with her. Maybe she'd be more comfortable in another seat. Hopefully she could actually get some sleep. But wouldn't you know, I was feeling a bit cramped and asked my hubby to politely switch with me. He smirked and allowed me to sit behind her. I guess this seat must have been defective too, as she couldn't lean her seat back on this chair either. So in the end, the entitled woman did not get more than 2 minutes of sleep that full 5-hour flight. I made sure of that. That might seem extreme or super petty, but there you have it. Play stupid games, win stupid prizes. The funny thing is, she probably wanted to cut in front of people so she could get on the plane first and take a nap. Guys, was saving that little bit of time really worth the 5 hours of sleep she didn't get? 100% not. But entitled people aren't that smart, are they? And that, my friends, brings us to another end of r/entitled people. Guys, if you enjoyed the episode today, do hit that thumbs up. And if you aren't subscribed, consider hitting that subscribe button so you can hear some more stories. And if you missed the last episode of r/entitled people, a Karen yells at a woman whose husband happens to be an Army